Hey guys, what is happening? Back again. Just got 100 subscribers, so super stoked about that. Like, honestly, 2 months gone by, heaps of videos up, good amount of views, good amount of likes. Like, you guys are great. Keep at it, liking, subscribing, whatever you gotta do. You know how it goes. Just here with the Cresty and the old Range Danger. Obviously VB because you can't beat it. Some of you would love it, some of you would hate it. Just servicing the old daily, and it's pretty much it. Oil filter, fuel filter, air filter change, and then I'll chuck in some footage I got from over probably the past 12 months. And I'll throw it in there, just a bit of highlights, and I hope you enjoy. He's good.
quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
And that's all for today.